Snowflake. Snowflake. It means a single particle of snow. For example, did you know that every single snowflake is different? Blizzard. Blizzard. It means a storm with very heavy snow and strong winds. For example, it's dangerous driving on the roads in blizzard. Avalanche. Avalanche. It means a large mass of snow and ice sliding rapidly down a mountainside. For example, it was reported that 5 skiers were caught in the avalanche. Drizzle. Drizzle. It means very light rain. For example, there were a bit of drizzle in the air. Cloudburst. Cloudburst. It means sudden rainfall that it over quickly. For example, the sudden cloudburst took the river to flood. Puddle. Puddle. It means a small pool of water usually formed by rainfall. For example, when I was young, I loved splashing in puddles. Hail. Hail. It means pieces of ice falling from the sky. For example, I hate being out in hail because it really hurt when it strikes your face. Frost. Frost. It means ice crystals on a frozen surface. For example, the grass was covered with frost. For example, frost formed on the window. Rainbow. Rainbow. It means an arch of colors seen in the sky after or during rainfall. For example, as the storm passed, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. Raindrop. Raindrop. It means a single measurement of rain. For example, I love catching raindrops on my tongue. Drought. Drought. It means a long period with no rainfall. For example, large areas of the country are suffering from drought. Foggy. Foggy. It means when there's a lot of fog. For example, it's so foggy today that I can hardly see the houses across the street. Smog. Smog. It means fog-like cloud caused by pollution. For example, the smog hung over the city and many people wore masks. Sleet. Sleet. It means mixture of rain and snow. For example, the sleet made the pavements slippery and it was difficult not to fall over. Drizzle. Drizzle. It means raining slightly. For example, I'll go for a walk, it is only drizzling now. Gale. Gale. It means very strong wind. For example, the gale blew all night and caused damage to several buildings. Thunder. Thunder. It means a loud rumbling or crashing noise heard in the sky. For example, we heard the thunder in the distance and knew that a storm was on its way. Lightning. Lightning. It means electric flash of light in the sky. For example, the lightning lit up the whole sky and quite spectacular. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. It means a storm that includes thunder and lightning. For example, my pets hate thunderstorm. Flood. Flood. It means when a large amount of water flows over an area of land. For example, there had been so much rain that the road was flooded. Overcast. Overcast. It means very cloudy with no sun is visible. For example, John looked out the window and saw the sky was overcast with no sign of sun. Icy. Icy. It means covered in ice, slippery because of ice. For example, it's better for elderly people to stay indoors when it's icy as they can easily fall over. Hurricane, cyclone, typhoon. It means tropical storm with extremely strong damaging wind. The difference between them is where the storm originates in the world. Hurricanes come from the Atlantic Ocean. Cyclones from the Indian Ocean, and typhoons from the Pacific Ocean.